making money for them. And I'm making a lot of money for myself as well. So get an online brokerage account. And I'm going to make videos. First of all, my YouTube video is at Byron Banks 4576. So look at some of my other videos because I train on options trading. I train on swing trading. I train on futures, cryptocurrency, long term, short term. I got so many videos, like over 1,000 videos, teaching how to invest in the stock market. But my main, how do I say it? My main thing that I do, my main profession is short term trading. I make a lot of money for people doing short term. I do long term and options too, but short term is my forte. Man, I'm good at that. And like I said, AMD in the next couple of days should make a lot of money for you. And leave comments and your opinion on my video to let me know if I made money for you. See, I'm one of the few people that have been doing this for 30 years now. When I first started out when I was young, I lost so much money, I'm telling you. But I am, right now, God has got me on this path where it's telling me just make money for people. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't want anything in return, nothing in return. And I'm doing all the leg work for you. Before I give a stock pick, I research everything. I research how the analysts are saying the stock is going to do. I research if it's bullish or bearish. I research the volume on the stock. I research the history on the stock. I research the sector on the stock. I research the overall layout of that particular stock. I do everything. And before I pick a stock, I do everything for you. You don't have to do anything but subscribe to my video with that little, I think, red box in the corner. I don't know which corner it's in, but subscribe to my video. And then like and share my video too so other people can get the opportunity to make money as well. Because I love making money for people. I'm 35 out of 36 towards getting stocks correct for everybody. I made one mistake, and that was a close one. I almost was 36 out of 36. I'm not bragging, but I think I'm the best in the world at this. I am. And if you're watching this on Facebook, my YouTube channel, once again, is at Byron Banks 4576. So please, everyone on Facebook and YouTube, please watch my channel so I can train you in the stock market because it's free money. It's horrible if you don't know what you're doing. But it's the greatest thing in the world if you do know what you're doing. And right now, I'm 63 years old. I know what I'm doing when it comes to the stock market. I'm making so much money for everybody. But getting back to, I'm going to have another stock pick for you in a couple of days. But AMD, the volume is at 67 million in the last 10 days. Today it's at 159 million. I'm looking at it right now as I speak. It's a little bit overpriced, but man, it is hot right now. But in 2 days, I'm gonna have another stock for you too. I just want to teach you guys about calls and puts. That's my next video when it comes to options trading. And I want to teach everybody about like mega cap stocks, large cap stocks, mid cap, small cap, mini cap, all that. I want to teach every little detail when it comes to the stock market and how to find a good stock on your own and how to find a good stock company on your own. So I'm just going to teach everything. I'm just spreading out all my knowledge to everyone. So like I said, please like, subscribe, and share this video, please. And so I can make money for everybody. Don't be selfish. Share the video because I want to make money for everybody. But I'm very good at this. This is my forte. This is my profession. And I've been doing this so long now. That's why I'm happy right now because I just bought me another building, by the way. And God has been good to me. And I'm trying to spread my joyous to you. I really am. And I want to thank everyone for all the support. I got so many subscribers and so many viewers. A lot of people are watching my videos now. And I just finally found something I could give back to the world before I leave this world. You know, this is what I can give back. Everybody in this world want to find something that they can make a difference in this world. And I found what I can do, how I can make a difference. But I want to thank everyone, everybody in my Dark World family, everybody in my family, Lenora, Cynthia, Edwards. I want to thank everybody for all the support you have given me. I mean this from my heart. Thank you. But I'm not going to talk your ear off. And that's pretty much it. My next video is going to be a training video either on swing trading or options trading to tell you about calls and puts and covered calls and all that stuff. But thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.